Mahesh Max Srinivasan, the India head of BNI, doing a Facebook Live. Anybody who saw the Facebook Live on Facebook? Yeah. So one of the a social media tip essentially, we see that Facebook Live is trending fabulously. So one great way of promoting your business is to ensure you do Facebook Lives. So when you do a next 8-minute presentation, make sure somebody is doing a Facebook Live the way Mayur is doing right now. Moment. Yeah. So that's a great way of trending. So imagine if you were to put 25 posts on Facebook, that's equivalent to one Facebook Live. So that's a power tip. Now the question is, how many of us, I must tell you that I think I require a small round of applause here, because I have been in the green for the last 12 months. Yeah? And can I give you a small tip on how to be green for the next 12 months? Yes. Every single member, would you like to know how to do that? Yes. Actually, extremely easy, because BNI tells you that you just need to be participative to be in green, and I'm going to tell you how to be in green. Mahesh Motka was saying that 50% of your business can come from BNI. Yeah, I've set a target of 4 crores for my businesses in terms of fees, and I've said 25% of it will come from BNI. 25% will come from something else which is connected to BNI. Any guesses? LinkedIn. Absolutely. So how many of you are part of LinkedIn? Do you have a LinkedIn profile? If your hands up. How many of you do not have a LinkedIn profile? Just one hand? 2 hands? Yeah. So a couple of hands, extremely important. LinkedIn was acquired by Microsoft recently, so it's all the more powerful because there's lots and lots of dollars going behind in making LinkedIn all the more powerful. So let me give you a quick tip on how to add muscle to your BNI membership. BNI membership plus LinkedIn is equal to BNI square. It's 2 times the power if you use it right. So why are we here in BNI? We do referral marketing, right? We are into delivering referrals. Week after week, we should be delivering at least a couple of referrals. Very easy to do if you use LinkedIn. If you note down all the referrals that members are asking for, apart from my own connections, I can use LinkedIn. For example, I have 6,000 connections on LinkedIn, which means 6,000 connections, and their connections would mean probably a few lakh connections, and their connections would mean a few crore connections. So we are hugely connected if you start using LinkedIn. And so we can start delivering great thank you notes. Of course, the members will have to follow up on the referral and go across. We know how to deliver a great 30-second presentation, because each time, one of the problems in BNI is that we don't have a specific ask. We keep saying that connect me to interior designers in your contact sphere. You will never ever have to use that line if you are using LinkedIn. And of course, how to do the ask. So let me give you a quick overview. If you have a LinkedIn profile, what it will do is it will give you tremendous SEO. You don't have to do search engine optimization at all. If your profile is full on LinkedIn, the moment people will search for you, chances are your name will come right on top. Let me give you an example. Yesterday, I went incognito in my Chrome, that is, which means I logged out of my system and searched for healthcare brand consultant. This is a generic term. This is a healthcare brand consultant. It could be anywhere. I'm right on the second page of the first entry is Srinivas Iyer. So that's complete, and that's thanks to LinkedIn. So you don't have to do great deal of work. You don't have to do fabulous SEO. You have to ensure that your LinkedIn profile is perfect. If I search for Srinivas Iyer, for example, and this is what typically happens. You're traveling in a flight, and you say, I'm Shanky Shankar. So the chances are I'm going to Google and say, Google Shanky Shankar. I'm going to Google Srinivas Iyer. And when Srinivas Iyer, Srinivas is a pretty common name. Iyer is super common name. But when you combine the two, you put it, I dominate the first page of Google. So if we dominate the first page of Google, people are not going to miss us. Because every time we go for a business meeting, please be sure people are going to Google you and find out who are you. So this is something that you need to do from a LinkedIn perspective. So this is one of the things that you need to ensure is you put your full profile. I had a member of ASUS in the uniforms category who spent a couple of hours learning LinkedIn. He came to my office, learned LinkedIn. The next week, he got an order from LinkedIn worth a few lakhs of rupees. The next week, he got a few lakhs of rupees. And he's met me quite a few times after that. And he tells me that LinkedIn gives him tremendous amount of business in uniforms category. Nishikant, you may want to know that. So ensure that your entire expertise, the full expertise is put in right there. So if you see, I've got 6,132 connections. I've got people like John Fong who sent me invitations, so we've connected there. There are no pending invitations, which means I spend about a couple of minutes every day accepting invitations, sending out invitations and stuff like that. So this is important. This is what you do. Set yourself a target. I'm going to do 200 connections this month. Next month, 300 connections. Next month, 400 connections. 100 connections every month. 50 connections every month, whatever. Because what happens in LinkedIn is, your first level connections, you can contact them completely. The second level connections also you can connect with them because they are connected to a friend of yours. So that's the way it works. So if you look at the statistics, I have 199 profile views in the last 90 days. And it's 33% up since last week. So LinkedIn gives me this kind of a thing. Am I popular? Am I going up on the confidence curve, or am I going lower down on my confidence curve? So this is something that it gives me. It also tells me that 5 people have job title which says business owners, which is why I'm on the business owners power team. Yeah, so that makes a lot of sense. So you see that FHD, which is a client of mine, Aderoy, a client of mine, these guys are constantly checking up my profile. So I know that they're actually active and checking up my profile, which means your own clients are probably checking your profiles regularly. Is it updated? If it is not updated, then you have a serious concern. Maybe they're also looking at the profiles of your competitor. Have you put BNI in your profile? Have you put President BNI Basel, Pankaj Chaudhary, for example, the head table? Have you put it there? When you put, because BNI is a huge organization, we know that the President just read that we have 2 lakh members all over the world. So all these guys are ideally connected with us thanks to BNI. If your BNI is not there in your LinkedIn profile, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Take a look at this. Ivan Meisner, my first level connection. Yeah, so it's easy for me to talk to Dr. Ivan Meisner whenever I want to because he is my first level connection. So I know that we've got 71 mutual connections and Mahesh Max Srinivasan, first level connection. But Graham is my second level connection. I can ask Mahesh to introduce me to Graham, and so that guy, we can both become first level connections. You look at some of Ivan's connections. Daniela Cavalletti, she's from Australia. We are now talking about doing business together. She's in branding category in Australia. Andy Bounds, the guy who did the 8-minute presentation guy, is my first level connection. So that's the beauty. Because we all get connected to them and we can do huge amount of knowledge sharing. How do you do the ask? So this is one critical question that all of us have. How do I specific ask? How do I deliver that? I was searching for Advanta. Let's say I want to find Advanta. And LinkedIn gives me 91 Advanta-based companies. 91 Advanta. So there is Advanta Financial Services, Advanta Seeds. I want to get connected to Advanta Seeds. So I want to do an ask for Advanta Seeds. So what I do, I go to the Advanta Seeds company and I find there are 422 employees in Advanta. 422 employees. So I go and click on that and I see a lot of people from Pathankot, from Barnala, from Bangalore, from Digras. I've got Giridhar Gopal Soni from Pathankot. But I don't want guys from outside Hyderabad. So I put in a filter saying I want Hyderabad. Voila. I've got Vinayak Raman Sharma. So I've got, maybe I want to connect with corporate human resources. I've got Meena Kanchipuram, who sits from Hyderabad, and she's my second level connection. So my ask can be specific and can be terrific, because I'm going to ask for Meena Kanchipuram, corporate human resources, UPL group, sitting out of Hyderabad, connect me to her. So that's a great way. So I'm not only connecting on LinkedIn, but I'm using BNI to get that connection across. So I have a two-way operation. So you could do this wonderfully for yourself. What do? I can also see that Meena Kanchipuram, her birthday is April 21. I can probably go to Facebook, friend with her, wish her for a birthday, or even do this in LinkedIn. I can also find out from Twitter what's her Twitter account. The advantage of Twitter is you don't even have to be connected. You can talk to people even without knowing them at all. I'll give you an example. I use a project management software called Basecamp. Now I had a doubt about Basecamp. Whom should I ask? I decided to ask the doubt to the founder of the Basecamp company. I asked the doubt to the founder of the company, who is a billion-dollar company today. Basecamp is a huge company. So this is what I did. I went to Jason Fry, who's my third level connection in LinkedIn, and I spoke to him. Third level, I cannot connect to him, I cannot talk to him directly. So what did I do? I went to the Twitter account and said, Jason Fry, please bring back the so-and-so feature in Basecamp. I sent it at 6 in the morning on 6th of March, and within 3 hours, Jason Fry said, still got it, find it in so-and-so place. So this is the power of using Twitter and this thing, because I can actually now, Jason Fry knows who Srinivas Iyer is, sitting out of Hyderabad, and he's talking to me, and a doubt which I wanted is being answered by the MD of a Fortune 500 company. That's the power of social media. Next we come to contact spheres. Who's my contact sphere? Management consultants, architects. So I go in to understand, okay, these are my contact sphere. I ask for management consultants in LinkedIn. LinkedIn tells me there are 12,763 management consultants. So if I want to increase my power team, so these are the management consultants I need to look. P. Seshadri is my first level connection, is a member of BNI Capital, and we are connected on the first level. So this is a great way by saying Hyderabad. I could also search for United States, United Kingdom, India, Agra, Pune, wherever, and get. So for Mohan, who wants to get connected to travel agents, this is a great way of connecting to maybe 7,000 travel agents across India. And if you're connected with BNI Connect, you may find that 25 of them or 40 of them are both in BNI Connect and in LinkedIn. So there's a great deal of growth that you can deliver to your company. Architects, I've got 3,718 architects out of Hyderabad. And this is available. So for all of those in the construction power team, you can talk to these architects. I've got inventive architects on the second list. Nishant P, who's I think a member of BNI, is my first level connection. He was invited last time by Sunil, and he's in one of the other chapters in BNI. Referrals. Let's say somebody asked for Nitin Jalakam. Let's say one of you asked for this guy. I don't know Nitin at all, and I want to give a referral to you. What do? I go and search for Nitin Jalakam in Accenture, India. I get 1,508 results. I go and click on Nitin, and I find out that there are common people that I know. I know that Samuel is available, who is head of Traffica. He's connected to Nitin. I'm also connected to Nitin. So what do? I ask for an introduction. Nitin, Samuel, can you connect me to Nitin? The moment Nitin connects, I can connect it back. I can send the referral across to you. This is the power of LinkedIn. So every time a member is asking for a referral, we can actually deliver great referrals. Invitation activity. Let's say we want Power Team Gap. I have event managers in the Gap. I have 1,079 event managers available in Hyderabad. So Manish Agarwal, if you want to have event managers, you have 1,079 event managers for Just Capture. So that's a great way of growing your business and you combine that with BNI, which means every time you come to a BNI, ask for a specific event manager connection and grow your business that way. Client testimonials. A lot of us have testimonials, and I have a problem. Please, members who deliver testimonials, ensure that you put it in BNI Connect. A lot of us have received testimonials, but it's not part of BNI Connect. And more importantly, deliver that testimonial in LinkedIn. When you deliver a testimonial in LinkedIn, that gets seen by thousands and thousands of people. Take a look at these people. This guy is a senior hospital guy out of Bombay who's heading Abbott. He's given me a testimonial, a recommendation saying Iyer is a brand guru. So this gives me a lot of credibility. I'm sure if you guys give me another 20, 25 testimonials which gives on my LinkedIn, and each one of you have LinkedIn testimonials, it makes your business and you look extremely, extremely credible. These are some skills and endorsements that can happen. So the next, what are you going to do next? I think you should get into LinkedIn, put your profile completely in place, and use it to generate tons and tons of thank you notes for all our members. Yeah, because that's the best way. Give us game. Thank you so much.